Alex pulls up, door swing wide. Grin saying, let's tear this out. There's a crack in the windshield, crack in my chill. Can't let a little line tell me how to feel.
I need this chair.
No.
Ooh, I need the stack. Ooh, I need that. All of it. Let's go put this in the car.
Oh, the car? Like
My Porsche.
that car?
Hey, don't show me my Porsche.
Okay. Now don't break it though.
My Porsche? Who put this crap on here?
Barely fits in there.
Porsche.
Barely.
Yeah, that's good. It's my Porsche. It's not her Porsche. No hat. This is probably the wrong car to get these windshields. Ooh. Clankety clank. Oh. This is the roughest Porsche I've ever driven. What?
Porsche.
Oh.
Oh, take it easy. Get some windshields back. You're gonna break
Ooh.
it. Easy.
Oops. Easy.
Get some train tracks coming.
Oh my gosh. I'm trading in the Porsche. This guy behind me is going to hit me. Get ready to make my turn, bud. Turn signal is on. Clickety clack.
Gotta double check.
Jesus. Oh crap. Holy shit. Jesus. We're in the middle of doing. Oh God. In the middle of doing a bunch of work on the Kansas City property.
We'll drop low.
Oh, there's Kirk. Alright. Got the magic tape. Watch this. Alrighty. Well, let's see if we broke it. How the hell did this get in here? Jeez. That is not your car. This is my Porsche. Mine.
Yeah. Crossfire.
Porsche. Clearly, Porsche. 911. Alright. Little trick that I learned over the years. That's not a very good one. But if you tape it, you don't have such a mess to clean up.
How many windshields have you replaced?
All of them that I did. Like, maybe that was my first thing I ever did to a semi. And that was the last time I did a windshield. So one. I've done one windshield and it went great. I didn't cuss. Hopefully this is the hard part. One.
Oh, you gotta do the whole thing?
Yep.
Oh.
Two. Yeah. Four. There.
It's free. That's my favorite. I just did this did not have the windshields. They're backward.
These ones are stand up.
Yeah, but I did the
That's great. Back in your day. Truckin.
Don't place it. It's the last.
All the
College.
Everything okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Check that open. Pretty. It's fine.
Show. What do you think of my Porsche 911 down there?
It's crossfire. Crazy.
It looks like crossfire?
It looks like one, yeah.
I mean, yeah, it looks like one, but it's not.
Your poor man's Porsche.
No. That's a Porsche 911. Got it for the Copart. All my cars for Copart.
So what's your windshield?
Very easy, very easy. Never have it.
That only took you about 5 minutes, okay?
Easy. Easy. Did it break? I hope not. Looks alright. What is that?
What is that? Did you do that?
What?
What?
What? Watch your eyes.
Oh no. Hey, the wipers.
Oh yeah, the wipers.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So that's how you remove a windshield from a Peterbilt.
386.
No. What?
Yeah, it's a Peterbilt. 386.
When?
Always.
That's weird. I thought it was a 379.
Oh, definitely not, bud.
Don't
It ain't that cool.
Don't tell them different. So this is my Peterbilt 379 windshield that I currently removed easily.
From your 386.
You know, I don't like it here very much. Alright, on the other side. When you're putting these new windshields in, or kicking them out, you want to make sure that you take it easy. Wear some glasses, face covering, something. Those little pieces of glass can go right in your eye. Even just standing right here, they can still blow around. I'm sure there's little pieces up here. They can blow right in your eye.
A little crack in the glass turned big in my head. Got mud on my boots, got gas in the red. Tiny line in the windshield, staring at me like what now? Buzzing in my brain on the back road, like a skeeter I can't swat down. Porsche sitting in the gravel lot, city car, country, hard road fly out. Alex pulls up, door swing wide, grin saying let's tear this out. There's a crack in the windshield, crack in my chill. Can't let a little line tell me how to feel.
Ta-da!
What did you do?
You broke my wiper, bud.
It's like I said something about those.
Oh, broke it. We gotta clean up all that crap before we install the new one. And that right there is why I taped off the inside, so we don't get all that glass inside the dash. That right there is why we put tape on the inside. Because if we didn't, all that little pieces of glass would be on the dash and all over the floor, and hard as heck to get out. Alright, now that I got the windshield removed, now I can finally clean. That's the only reason we really removed this, is mainly just to clean it in here. I hate a dirty truck. What? Yeah. Yeah. It's easier than getting tools and getting down in there. If you just remove the glass, it's way easier.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Checks out.
Yeah. So I'm gonna hand this to you. Don't look at it. Yeah. You'll turn into a frog if you do, so don't look at it. Don't. Easy, easy.
Gonna break it?
We gotta recycle it. I don't want to break it. Need rope. Rope. No rope. Where's the rope at? We need rope, duct tape, and a banana. I don't know where to get it. Should be right here, somewhere. Right here. Got it. Paracord, that's what I'm looking for. Yep, paracord. Alright, now to get our... What else do we need? We need cord, duct tape, and a banana. Yeah, just one banana. Alright, back in the Porsche. Listen. We're gonna call it a Porsche. They don't know that it's a Crossfire, okay? So, let's try this again. And play, or whatever they say. So here we are back in the Porsche. What?
None.
Okay. Back in the Porsche, and we got the rope, got the banana. We forgot duct tape.
Definitely forgot the duct tape.
Masking tape we'll have to do.
A masking tape.
Now,
Still have some left after the windshield?
some what?
Tape left. You didn't use it all on the windshield?
No. No. And now it's time to get back to the windshield. Dun 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 dun. Porsche!
Crossfire.
I hate it here. You know, maybe get that out of the dash before it melts all over my Porsche dash.
I'll get it off the Crossfire dash.
Porsche. Want something to drink? We can go to Quick Trip, quench your thirst in my Porsche.
Chrysler.
Porsche.
Crossfire.
Say it with me. Porsche.
Chrysler.
Whatever, bro. Trick. I don't remember who told me or taught me this, but it's supposed to help slide it into place.
So what's the rope do then?
As you put it in there, you pull this out. See how it does that?
Mm-hmm.
It'll pull it onto the metal. In theory. Some high dollar stuff right here. Paid 2 goats for this. Goats are pregnant. They're worth a lot of money. Alright. I'll do the other one. Actually, do you want to run and get that little hand vacuum from the house?
Yeah.
Spank ya. You can take the Porsche. Hey, what kind of car is that?
Porsche 911.
My dude. That's my dude. Clean all this up real good. Pretty nasty. Alright, got some Rust-Oleum on there. Don't look the best, but there was a lot more damage in there than we thought. Gotta get over there and do that side next, but we're gonna do it the right way. Alright. Man, that fitted pretty bad. Clean it up as good as we can. Think we're about ready for that windshield, huh?
Oh yeah.
At least one of them. Let's see what we can do.
You want to give her 10 minutes to dry the
Let it dry a little bit.
so we don't get fingerprints all over it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to learn both of y'all, the driver's side and the passenger side. There's a big difference.
Just kidding.
I guess I don't have to clean it up. Alright.
TRP face the inside?
No, I don't think you're right.
Yeah, no, that, if it faces that way, it would be on the passenger side. Does TRP face on the outside or the inside?
You want the big side on the outward side.
I mean, I can compare one of these other trucks' windows if you want. Because if not, it would be flipped over and go on that side. But hold on, let me see something. I can look it up and double check. I think that might be the passenger side.
Yeah, that might be the passenger side. That's
Because I think TRP faces the inside of the truck. Yeah, I think so.
Watch, watch, watch. I see it.
Okay, 1 second, pausing. So story.
All right, buddy.
Yep. Pull her down. It's coming. Yeah.
I gotta go back there and clean it up a little bit. We use some tire shine for lubricant. Oh, my Porsche. But we got them installed. Porsche. Say it with me. Porsche. That's why you got black stuff on your upper lip.
Probably.
Looking like a mini mustache. Well, we got it installed, right? What you think? Now I got to redo the interior, clean it out real good. Put my CB back in. That's it on that one. Got those installed. Looking pretty good. No scratches from getting up there, the glass. So we ought to be good to go. Well, off to the next one. Yeah, one last thing. I guess she's right. It might be a crossfire. Who knew?